rice. The next day, Malakunda set off on a ship. When the ship arrived at the busy harbor, Malakunda was amazed to see a fertile and rich village. Malakunda worked day and night. The only thing that kept bothering was his desire to become a rich man. With determination and perseverance, his hard work finally paid off. He managed to get well, owning a large ship with 100 crew members and a beautiful wife. One day, he took his wife sailing in the luxurious ship. They anchored in Malakundang's hometown, and news of the crowd soon reached the ears of the man. Overjoyed, the elderly mother hobbled to the harbor. She shouted, "Mali, is that really you, my son? After all these years, you finally